Welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss MSCE 004 important question, the loanable funds theory. It is proposed by neoclassical school as an improvement over classical theory. Wicksell and D.H. Robertson incorporated monetary factors with non-monetary factors such as saving and investment owing to critiques raised by Keynes. Now the assumptions. Loanable fund market is fully integrated market, that is there is perfect mobility of fund across market. It is a competitive market, that is borrowers and lenders are price taker and only one interest rate prevails in the market at a given period of time. Third, partial equilibrium analysis, so other factors affecting interest rate other than demand and supply of loanable funds are held constant. Loanable fund theory is a flow aspect. Now the supply of loanable funds. So LS, that is supply of loanable fund, is equals to aggregate S, that is aggregate saving of all household and firms net of their savings, that is a positive function of interest rate, plus DH, that is aggregate disholding of cash, that is again a positive function of interest rate, plus delta M, that is agreement supply of money or bank money, which is exogenous. Now savings is equals to income minus expenditure. DH, that is disholding, people reduces idle cash and put it into savings, that is people dishold idle cash liquidity at a higher rate of interest. Bank money, bank advances loan to business through credit creation, therefore bank creates money that is added to supply of loanable funds. Now the demand for loanable funds, LD, that is demand for loanable funds, is equals to I, that is investment by firms, plus D, that is government loans by government, plus DS, that is this savings or borrowings. Now I is the expenditure for purchase of making new capital goods including inventories. It is negatively related to rate of interest. अगर इंटरेस्ट रेट लो है तो डिमांड फॉर लोनेबल फंड्स इंक्रीज हो जाएगी. जी, व्हेन टैक्स इज लेस देन गवर्नमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर, तो जी जब बड़ा होगा टैक्स से तो गवर्नमेंट टेक अप लोन एंड बोरिंग्स नॉट रिलेटेड टू इंटरेस्ट. ये इंटरेस्ट रिलेटेड है ही नहीं जी. Now DS, that is this savings or borrowings. These savings are negative savings. That is people borrow when their current income is less than current consumption. It is a negative function of interest rate. Now हमने graphically equilibrium represent किया है, तो देखो ये है demand for loanable funds, that is investment, plus G, that is government loans, plus so demand for loanable funds is a function of investment plus government loans plus this savings, whereas supply for loanable funds is equals to savings plus disholdings plus incremental bank money, and where both demand for loanable funds and supply of loanable funds intersect, we get rate of interest, that is this. यहाँ पे intersect किया देखो ये point, ये बन गया rate of interest. ठीक है. अगर ROI इज़ ग्रेटर देन R0, जो इक्विलिब्रियम रेट, अगर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट ग्रेटर देन इक्विलिब्रियम रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट है, सो सप्लाई इज़ ग्रेटर देन डिमांड, तो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट फॉल करेगा. अगर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज़ लेस देन R0, जो इक्विलिब्रियम है, तो सप्लाई इज़ लेस देन डिमांड, तो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा. अब इसके दो इश्यूज़ थे इस थ्योरी में. पहला है इनडिटर्मिनेंट, दैट इज़ इट एज्यूम्स सेविंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट आर बोथ इंडिपेंडेंट, बट दे आर डिपेंडेंट ऑन वाई. एज वाई चेंजेस, savings also changes, so does supply of loanable funds. सेकेंड है कांस्टेंट की कंसिस्टेंसी बताता है ये ऑफ नेशनल इनकम. ये एज्यूम करता है कि नेशनल इनकम रिमेन्स अनचेंज. इन रियलिटी टू चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट इनकम ऑल्सो चेंजेस अकॉर्डिंगली. सो दीज आर द टू मेजर इशूज़. एक इंडिटर्मिनेंट, वो बोलता है कि सेविंग्स और इन्वेस्टमेंट इंडिपेंडेंट है, बट इन रियलिटी वो वाई पे डिपेंड करते हैं, क्योंकि वाई चेंज होता है तो सेविंग चेंज होती है, सेविंग चेंज होगी तो सप्लाई ऑफ लोनेबल फंड चेंज होगा. सेकंड, ये अज्यूम करता है कि नेशनल इनकम अनचेंज रहेगी, मतलब कांस्टेंट रहेगी, बट इन रियलिटी ऐसा नहीं होता. जब इन्वेस्टमेंट चेंज होती है तो इनकम भी चेंज होती है अकॉर्डिंगली. सो दैट वॉज इट फॉर loanable fund theory. Thank you guys. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do comment which next topic you want me to prepare a video for you guys. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.